Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a lemon cilantro vinaigrette that you can use on this fish taco recipe right here. And we're also going to use it as a chicken marinade. Let's get to work. The recipe calls for 2 handfuls of cilantro. We're going to add this to my KitchenAid cup. I think I'm going to use more garlic just for good measure. I'd say that's about 2 teaspoons, we'll see. Maybe 3. Okay, that was like close to 4, but whatever. We'll just go ahead and add the 2 tablespoons of water into our mixture. So it's the juice from half of a squeezed lemon. Is this not the cutest strainer you've ever seen? That did not really work out the way that I wanted it to. You don't want to mess with squeezing a lemon and straining it. I use Volcano lemon juice, it's organic, and squirt it in there. Next up, I'm adding the avocado oil. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of organic red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Iowa made honey, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm not the best at exact measurements when I'm cooking, so I'm sorry if you're one of those people who needs like exact measurements of things. I like to wing it. That's just how I roll with everything in life. We've got all our ingredients in. Now we are going to use the immersion blender to blend it all up. Here we go. Awesome. Here we go. This is our finished product. I'm going to marinate an entire package of chicken breasts in this so I can grill it later. I've rinsed off the chicken tenders. I'm going to pat them dry. I'm going to add them to this Ziploc baggie. So these are for later this afternoon. I'm going to go visit my friend Sarah, who owns a flower farm. And we're going to do some seed planting and grill out. This will be perfect for that. Now we're going to add our cilantro lemon dressing. Voila! Looks like a science project. Now I'm just going to refrigerate this for a couple hours before we grill it, and it'll be ready to go.